To cook pasta like an Italian, remember to salt the water generously. As the saying goes in Italy, it should be as salty as the Mediterranean Sea. And here's a pro tip: always save some pasta water. The starchy water can be used to loosen the sauce and help it cling to the pasta. The secret to a perfect pizza lies in the dough and the oven. For the dough, use a high-gluten flour and let it rise slowly and completely, which can take up to 24 hours. As for the oven, the hotter, the better. Traditional Italian pizzerias often have wood-fired ovens that reach up to 800 degrees. The key to perfect sushi lies in the rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear to remove excess starch, which can make the rice clumpy. When cooking the rice, use a ratio of 1 to 1.1, rice to water. And remember, sushi rice should be served at body temperature. The heart of many Indian dishes lies in the masala, a blend of spices. To bring out the best flavors, roast the spices on low heat before grinding them. It releases the oils and makes the spices more fragrant. And when you're cooking the curry, add the spices early in the cooking process. It allows them to blend in and enrich the dish with their full flavors. The secret to a perfect French pastry lies in the butter. Always use unsalted butter and make sure it's cold, particularly when making puff pastry. And of course, remember that baking is a science. Measure your ingredients accurately to ensure the best results. In summary, the key to cooking like a pro lies in understanding the techniques and secrets of different cuisines. From salting the pasta water in Italy, letting pizza dough rise for 24 hours, rinsing sushi rice until water runs clear in Japan, roasting spices for Indian curries, to using cold, unsalted butter for French pastries. These tips can elevate your cooking to the next level. And remember, cooking is an art. So, feel free to experiment and add your own touch to these recipes. After all, the best ingredient in any dish is love. So go ahead, roll up your sleeves and create culinary magic in your kitchen. Bon appetit!